The requirements of a job shop are different than a high volume, low mix manufacturer, but they can still get the same benefits out of using software like sensor tracks because it still gives really good visibility into the factory floor. So you're replacing Excel and paper. So you don't have the added overhead of, collecting all of that paper, putting it into Excel, summarizing it, distributing it every day, every week, whatever it is. You have more real-time information to help you understand what's happening now. Do we have any problems? What can I do to fix them? And then also to report tomorrow. The other big thing that it can help with is scheduling and really understanding your capacity and utilization. So the most granular example of this is, hey, I have a rush job that I need to fit in today. Where will it fit? And we've seen a lot of benefits from companies being able to do just that. So understanding their capacity, understanding their utilization, where is a job in the system in real time, also what's coming up next to really drive improvements, eliminate backlog,